Module 4, Audio and Transitions. Adding audio to a project. Adding audio to a project in Adobe Premiere Pro is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. 1. Import audio files. First, you need to import your audio files into your Premiere Pro project. Go to the Project panel, right-click in the panel, and select Import from the context menu. Browse and select the audio files you want to add to your project, and click Import to bring them into your project. 2. Create an audio track. In the Timeline panel, create a new audio track by right-clicking in the audio track header area and selecting Add Track from the context menu. Choose the type of audio track you want to add, such as a mono or stereo track, depending on the type of audio you're adding. 3. Drag and drop audio clips. Drag and drop the imported audio clips from the project panel to the audio track in the Timeline panel. You can place them at the desired location on the timeline to align with your video clips or other elements in your project. 4. Adjust audio levels. You can adjust the audio levels of the clips in the Timeline panel to balance the audio mix. To do this, select the audio clip by clicking on it, and then use the audio level rubber band in the audio clip's audio track to raise or lower the volume. You can also use the audio track mixer panel to adjust audio levels, apply audio effects, and perform other audio-related tasks. Adding audio to your project in Adobe Premiere Pro is a crucial step in creating a professional video. By importing, organizing, and editing audio clips, you can enhance your video with high-quality audio that complements your visuals and creates a polished final product. Adjusting audio levels. Adjusting audio levels is an essential step in video editing to ensure that your audio sounds balanced and clear. Adobe Premiere Pro provides several methods to adjust audio levels for your audio clips. Here's how you can do it. 1. Using the Audio Track Mixer. The Audio Track Mixer is a dedicated panel in Premiere Pro that allows you to adjust audio levels for individual audio tracks in your timeline. To access the Audio Track Mixer, go to the Window menu and select Audio Track Mixer. In the Audio Track Mixer, you can adjust the fader for each audio track to raise or lower the volume. Simply click and drag the fader up or down to adjust the audio level for that track. 2. Using the Audio Clip Mixer. The Audio Clip Mixer is another panel in Premiere Pro that allows you to adjust audio levels for individual audio clips in your timeline. To access the Audio Clip Mixer, go to the Window menu and select Audio Clip Mixer. In the Audio Clip Mixer, you can adjust the fader for each audio clip to raise or lower the volume. Simply click and drag the fader up or down to adjust the audio level for that clip. 3. Using the Effect Controls panel. The Effect Controls panel in Premiere Pro allows you to adjust various audio properties of a selected audio clip, including volume, pan, and audio effects. To access the Effect Controls panel, select the audio clip in the timeline, and then go to the Window menu and select Effect Controls. In the Effect Controls panel, you can adjust the volume slider to raise or lower the volume of the selected audio clip. Adjusting audio levels is an important part of video editing to ensure that your audio is balanced and enhances your overall video production. By using the various audio adjustment tools in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can easily control and modify the audio levels of your clips to achieve the desired audio mix for your project. Using audio effects. Adobe Premiere Pro provides a wide range of audio effects that you can apply to your audio clips to enhance the sound quality and achieve creative audio effects. Here's how you can use audio effects in Premiere Pro. 1. Select the audio clip. In the timeline, select the audio clip to which you want to apply an audio effect. 2. Open the Effects panel. Go to the Window menu and select Effects to open the Effects panel in Premiere Pro. 3. Browse and select Audio Effects. In the Effects panel, you can browse through different categories of audio effects, such as EQ, equalization, dynamics, delay, and more. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific audio effect. Once you find the audio effect you want to use, simply drag and drop it onto the audio clip in the timeline. 4. Adjust audio effect settings. After applying an audio effect to the audio clip, you can customize its settings in the Effect Controls panel. To access the Effect Controls panel, select the audio clip in the timeline, and then go to the Window menu and select Effect Controls. In the Effect Controls panel, you can adjust various parameters of the audio effect, such as frequency, gain, threshold, and more, depending on the type of effect applied. Using audio effects in Adobe Premiere Pro can help you achieve professional-level audio enhancements and creative audio treatments for your video projects. Experiment with different audio effects and settings to find the perfect sound for your project, and don't forget to preview and fine-tune the results to achieve the desired audio outcome. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.